Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I put together these earrings, or rather how I put together this style of earrings using these mixed strands I got from BeeBeeCraft and these components I got from BeeBeeCraft. I will also be using a couple of my own head pins. You will probably be better off working with a 40 or 50mm head pin, just so you have some playroom and you can make a good size charm. So what I did to make these, which are really beautiful by the way, they've got such a what's the word I'm looking for? A classy, that's the word I'm looking for, a classy look to them. They are beautiful, I really like them. And what I did was I went through all my strands and I just came looking down and tried to find two beads that matched, that could be feature beads. So in this case I like these two. So these two are going to be my feature beads, and I'm going to find two other beads. I'm going to just use those two strands so I don't get everything in a mess. I'm going to cut these strands right at the top. So I'm going to grab this one and cut it. And I've got a pot here which I'm going to empty it in. I'm going to grab off the feature beads I'm going to be using and put that to one side and put the rest in here, including this last one. And same again for this other strand. Now I've got the two feature beads, I think I want to add to this a little bit because I've got this whole thing to work with. So stick those on the head pin. And I think I'd like a skinny bead again, but we'll see what we'll go through because we also need to pick out some matching beads to go along the bottom here. So as I go through I'm going to pick out some matching beads in the same sort of colours to put them all together, and we will decide what to use with our feature bead and what to put around the edge. So I'm going to sift through and pick out some matching beads and I'll come right back. So we have a few. I think I'm going to pop these away because I thought these might be the same size, but they all are slightly different sizes or colours. Put those away. And to tie in all the colours, I think we'll have bicones on top here, and then these clear little round ones. There we are, I like those for drops. So now I'm going to make a little loop. I'm not going to do a wrapped loop because these are very strong head pins. So bend. Make sure you leave enough room for your loop. I'm going to leave about 1 centimetre and just over 1 centimetre. And I'm going to come in with my loop and pliers right at the end and just turn it over like that. That gives a lovely little loop. Open that up our earring finding out, which I forgot to do. Two bindings out. And two ear wires. So I'm going to attach this one just in the middle here. So you see they have this middle hole? That's where I'm going to put this on, right through that hole. Oh. And close it up. And as you just seen, half of these just pulls straight out so that you can thread on some beads, and that's what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to do them in a sort of random order. So if I sort of half plan it, we have that one, maybe that there, that there, 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 and one there, and one there. No, I don't like that. I swap those two around like that. Let's see how that looks actually on the earring. Oh, I've accidentally taken too many of these. There we go, so we'll put this bicone on instead. Then this bisque. And then that one. Lovely. And then just shape it right. Just to see how it would look. Just pop it in. Yeah, I really like that. You can keep going and add more beads if you like, but I really like the partly filled look. So I'm going to close this up, and to do that, I'm just going to pop that in there and hold it together. Just slightly, you don't need to hold it with too much force. Grab my crimpers because I want to make the same shape in there. I don't think you need to, but I'm going to. So I'm going to grab that there and further along and just squish down like that. And just for a little bit extra, I'm going to use my flat ones just to give it a really good push, just to keep it all nicely in place. And now we just want to add our ear wire. And there we have an elegant, sophisticated earring. I'll go do the other one quickly. So as we did, bend over the top here, leave about 1 centimetre, loop right at the tip, bring that around, open it up. This is the most fiddly bit because the beads like to rise, but it's not too bad. Stick it in there. Close it up. And now thread the beads on. And if you hold it this way around, you can see that this time, if you want to do it opposite directions, you can do it the same direction, but I'm going to do the opposite direction, so I want the beads like this. That one, that one, that one, that one. Turn it around. Pop them on. Same again. Put it in. Hold it, not too tightly. Just hold it where it is. And I'm going to put one mark here, here, and one further on here. And then use my flat ones to really get a good grip with that metal. And add the last ear wire. There we go, a beautiful pair of earrings from a beautiful strand of mixed glass beads. And there are many pairs of beautiful beads in here that you could use. Like they won't be exactly the same if you were to go and buy some, but I can guarantee you would get a couple of doubles that you could easily make into some gorgeous earrings, just like these ones. I think they're so sophisticated and elegant, and that's how I decided to use the bits that I got sent. I hope you liked these, and I hope you gained something out of this video, and I hope you will join me next time. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye now.